what I'm saying? Yeah.
This is a CCCDB classic.
Why it smells so good? Nah, you just jumped it for me, bro.
Knows they're gonna be successful one day. Like,
yo, gang. Today is a new day, which means a new nature vlog. You feel me? Right now I'm at home though, eating my food, watching my favorite anime of all time, Doro. If you don't know about it, get to know about it. Watch it today and find out why it's the best anime out there. Feel me? Today we're going to Barr Beacon Nature Reserve. So get ready, put on your seatbelts, get your food, get your popcorn, and enjoy. We're in Warsaw Town right now. We stranded for like 20 minutes, so I'm just here chilling idly like an NPC, bro. Like, look at this, bro. It's a ghost town today, literally. Well, what do you expect on a Monday afternoon, huh? You feel me? I got no one with me today. It's just another solo trip, like the old times. You know, it's always good to ask people how they're doing. So how's your guys' day doing? Type in how your guys' day is doing in the comments right now, because I want to know. Hold up, triple deuces. Hold up, baby, double deuces. Me body G on the ski on my buddy. I look so sexy, boy. Don't I look sexy? Beyonce, she really thinks she irreplaceable. I really should show you guys what I'm listening to. You guys are probably looking at me, vibing in silence, bro. You guys think I'm crazy or something, but let me show you. Hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it. Listen to it, hit it. Listen to it, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it. You guys really didn't see the view I'm seeing right now, bro. Either way, we're walking uphill. We're walking uphill. This is really training to climb a mountain, you feel me? I'm gonna climb a mountain soon, cause that's one of my goals this year. Just get to a mountain. So you guys are gonna see it. It's gonna be a surprise. Feel me? But anyways, I think we're here though. I think we're here. Oh my days, look at that view. Look at that beautiful view. Sexy ass view. Look at that car though. Oh, sexy ass car. What is that? A Nissan? Let me see, let me see, let me see. That's one nice car, bro. One hell of a car. But we here, chat. We here. Fear not, because we are here at Barr Beacon Local Nature Reserve. Yeah. But who put these on here, bro? Some charms niggas put on here. What the hell? This looks like some toys furries will keep, bro. I wouldn't know, because I'm not a furry. I really hope the moose man doesn't catch up to me. Or Tommy the lumberjack. I'm a rolling stone. Learned the game from some heavyweights. Catching buses make a change from another plate. I still got demons from my younger days. I'm rich as fucking I ain't nothing at the same time. I'm not rich. I'm broke. I know I got the good vocals on me, bro. You don't need to let me know, because I know it already. It's a fact. Yeah, I think I'm lost right now. I'm back. I'm close to the entrance. Looks like we have to turn around, chat. I went the wrong way. This is why you always need to look at your maps before you go anywhere, bro. Or else you're gonna get lost. How'd you guys like the new camera quality though? This is I'm not gonna disclose what camera I'm using, but let's appreciate the better quality that this has, bro. Look, I'm even on wide angle lens. That's that Draco right there. If you haven't listened to Draco yet, just listen to Draco, man. Hardest young nigga I know. But we on the way to the monument, because the monument is where it's at right now. But look at these walls though. It looks like a prison wall, bro. You think I can climb over it? If I can climb over it, I'm really like that. Let me know. Say swear you won't climb that, and I'll climb that right now. Say swear in the comments right now. Here, let me show you a good view of the monument though. The monument's down there, you feel me? Down there, you feel me? Whew. You alright, lads? Yeah. What brought you guys here today? What brought you guys here today?
Oh, just come for the view.
Oh, is it a good view? Ah, I see it now. I see it now. I came all the way from Warsaw just to see this. We finally here. I can say the journey was worth it. Like, the journey was worth it, especially if you get to see a view like this. Let me show you guys what I'm seeing right now. Look at this. That's history. Barr Beacon War Memorial. You guys can read, so I'm gonna let you guys read this. What we're looking at right now is a map, I think. So it's probably showing us the location. So where we're looking at right now is Brown Hills, Cannock Chase, Cannock. The Cannock areas. If you know, you know. If you don't, you're slow. I'm sorry, but you're slow. But the other way, on the other side is Birmingham all the way there. You can't see Birmingham right now because of the fucking trees. We need to cut down the trees. Cut down the fucking trees. But that side's Birmingham. If you look that side. And then this side is Warsaw. That's where I live. So if you look down this side, that's where Warsaw is, you feel me? And then looking straight down there is Sutton Sides, Sutton Coalfield. I've never been there because I don't have any business being there in the first place. So yeah, if you know Sutton, you know Sutton. You know what I'm saying? Guess what you on right now, chat?
Hey, Smoke Fusion, you did it again.
This wasn't the longest vlog I've made, but at least I got enough in it for you guys to enjoy. You feel me? So time to go home and what? Time to edit. Time to edit this vlog. This vlog's probably gonna come out like what, 2 months later on. That just depends on my editing skills, if they develop on the way. Probably this vlog might come out faster, and more, and other good vlogs are gonna come out too. So yeah, man, I'ma see you guys. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends, bro. Don't be stingy. Don't gatekeep this channel. Make sure your friends watch this channel too. You feel me?
We love ball hogging.